Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida with part 2 at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, working with gold and silver and pearl, and I have not torched the painting I was just working on. And I think, hey, yeah, that was directly from Maine, hey, yeah. I believe that there are going to be a few cells popping. Trying to make that a little more subtle than it was. I've got some nice thick paint different places if I want to steal it. I've been adding other colors on top of my original. We torch to release the patterns in the paint because there's Floetrol and Decor pouring medium and GAC 800 pouring mediums in there, but we also do it to release the bubbles because when I mix the paint I shake it in my bottles. I see something I want to change, and I'm going to use my little bottle to continue that line on. I don't know what else I want to do. I want that torch to not be in my way when I turn this painting. I do want to put some more dots in, and the needle tip that I'm using does have just basically the same mixture that I have in my regular squeeze bottles. I'm just looking to see if there's anything that I can add that might be cool. As far as textural elements go, and that's kind of cool. I'm not unhappy with that at all. I don't know if the gold is going to sink. I think I am as close to being done as I should be without going overboard. I don't think I really mind adding a little gold right there. I have somewhat set up the surface with the torching. So anything I add at this point is going to react a little differently than everything else. I think I am pretty happy with that. Even if that gold sinks, which I think it won't. I don't know why I think it won't. I'm feeling pretty brave trying to dot onto wet paint, even if I have just used a torch on it. But that's a cool effect, and I'm happy I did it. Same with this one. Alright, that's pretty cool. And I wasn't sure it was going to turn out, so I'm a lot relieved. And I can stick my skewer in a few places if I want to. Actually, the paint surface is so set up because of this warm day that I'm not going to be able to do that. But I don't think I mind at this point. I'm just taking a risk over there. And I'm going to put a little more black over there just because it's such an empty spot. And that's a nice gunmetal gray that's already there. I don't think I need anything else on that. I think I'm going to call it good. So I want to thank you guys for watching my videos and giving me wonderful compliments. Thank you so much. You make my day all the time. And thank you for the contributions that have kept me painting in the past and keep me painting right now. Really appreciate that. I appreciate that you guys watch as long as you can. That helps me out. And if you give me a thumbs up, it helps my placement, the placement of my YouTube videos in the lists. So thank you for that too. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link. You guys are going great guns, some of you, which is fine. I like shopping too. I just haven't been able to do much shopping outside of art supplies for a while. I'm not sure why I did that. Since I did, it behooves me to fix it a little bit. That's better. I like that. Okay. Alright. So check out the Pinterest, the Instagram, the Facebook volumes, and the paint pouring recipe under the video, and look for PayPal and Patreon to get involved in this month's contest. And if your name is drawn, right around the 8th of April, unless I don't get enough contributors, in which case it'll be postponed until I do. I want to tell you guys again I love you, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye for now. Should I zoom out? This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio going, that thing bothers me right there. And when things bother me, I have to fix them. Even if it's in the last two sentences. Make sure to watch the end screens so you can find my website if you want to. If you go to my Facebook pages, you can also find a Shop More button, which will take you to my Fine Art America and Pixels.com, where a lot of my stuff has been posted since 2013 for the fun of it. And whatever else I was going to say, I forgot. So I'm also OCD right now, so pardon me while I dot a few more things at the very end. Alright, I love you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out.